I think I found something for you. I think I will teach you how to give yourself a proper manicure. First, I will get my nail polish. You just wait. Hi, I'm back. It's best if you're doing it. If you're doing this if you're new, it's best to have a proper container for your nail polish. Now let's get started. Now you need a purple about this shade of purple. Some nail polish remover just in case you mess up. An aftercoat shiny pink container, a light purple, a light pink like this one, a shiny purple one like this, an aquamarine color like this, and of course a yellow. It's best to try it on a rock before you try on your nails. So, now place your hand on the floor. Take your aquamarine color and open it. Make sure nothing drips anywhere. Now put it aside and paint your thumbnail gently. If you've made any mistakes like I have, just use the nail polish remover. But aside from the splotches and the splitches, your nail should look like this. Now close the aquamarine color. Now set this hand aside and blow on it. If you need to, when you're done, put your hand in a tub of water. Now take a pink pink nail polish and open it. Make sure nothing drips anywhere. And now apply. If you've put some on, if some has gone on your skin, just wipe it off with nail polish remover. If not, if nothing has gone without anything on your if nothing has gone on your skin, then your nail should look like this. I can't get this to show. Okay. Blow on your nail. Now, take the purple one. Set it aside. Then paint the nail. If too much has gone into your nail, use the nail polish remover. Take out one sheet of nail polish remover and remove the whole thing. If everything has gone, put the nail polish remover aside and put the nail polish on your nail again. This time it doesn't matter. Just dab it along the side and wait. It should look like this. Your hand should look like this. Now, if you're wearing any jewellery, you should remove it. I'm removing my bracelet. Now, put your light purple color and open it. If it is tight, don't use it. Just get your shiny purple. And your finger should look like this. Now, if you've had any mistakes on this finger, remove your mistake and try again. Now, on your pinky finger, put this color. Open it. And gently apply. If you've made any mistakes, remove it. Now your hand should look like this. Now put it aside to dry. Take your other hand. Now, get to this color. Use your other hand gently to open it. Now put your hand aside. No, don't. Use it to paint it. Put it on your thumb. If you've made any mistakes, don't worry about it. And blow on it. Now, get this color and put it on here. Tap it lightly. It should look like this. Now, put aside. Now, this is all I want you to do for these hands. So all I want you to do. Now, first close the aquamarine color. Then close pink. Then close sparkly purple. Then close normal purple. If yellow, your yellow should already be closed. Now close light purple. If you are finding it tricky, ask an adult. Now, put your hand out here and open your pink sparkle. Now, apply the pink sparkliness to each of your nails. Even to the ones you haven't done. Then close it.